Okay, I am giving you a tour of where we are in the house now. Look, oh, there's the ceiling in the front hallway. This is where the washer dryer is going to be. This is a door that goes to some stairs that leads to nowhere. It's blocked off. Maybe I can store the steamy wonder there. Here's one treatment room, and the ceiling is all finished. It has 3 windows, and it has a river view, and this little sink, I hope, is going to be going over in this wall. So there it is. And then I'm going to walk to the other side. Here is the second treatment room, and this is where the Shirodara will happen, Abhyanga, you see? And ceiling is done. So we've gained another, 11 inches to the ceiling, and the sink is going to go here, so that's great. We'll have running water. Here is the kitchen, and see that wall over there? That's going to be knocked down, and so this is going to go, the kitchen will go all the way to this window. Right now this is the bathroom that is going to be removed. This is the old wallpaper way under the plaster. New window that Nick put in, a hole to the basement where the bathtub was. So the kitchen is going to go from this wall and occupy this space. And I imagine a nice big table here in the middle where consults can come and small classes could be held. Here is going to be the bathroom. Nick just put in a wood floor right there. It's covered, so when the guys are working, the floor doesn't get scuffed up. He put in an exhaust fan. Ceiling's not done. And then walking this way, here's the entranceway to the space, and look how they took down the ceiling. And that's Nick and Max talking out there. Lots of working people here. So here's the waiting area, welcome area, resting area. It's got a nice tall ceiling, and a lot of work tools right now. So that's where we are. I'll go out this way. Here comes Sybil. There's Max and Nick.
I don't think I can pull that out.
And
What's up, Sybil?
people coming to work on the house now. Okay, well, I'm excited. I don't know when I'll be able to open. I'm kind of hoping by the end of September, but I think I'm being unrealistic. Who knows? Right, in the meantime, I'll do consults by Zoom and follow-ups via Zoom. Well, here's the front door. Let's see if I can open it. There. It's a real beautiful bush that's going to have to be either removed or trimmed in such a way that it can remain there and grow in a different way. And here's the front. Ta-da! Very bright yellow. Nick calls it baseball park mustard yellow, and very bright orange. But I think it's going to be really exciting in the neighborhood. All right, that's it.